Welcome back to our series of how you can create a high converting real estate campaign for yourself or for your client. If you are following this series, you already know what we have accomplished up till now. And if you're new to this channel and watching this video first time, I suggest you to go to the first video of this series and watch that, because it really helps you to understand the whole process to create the best converting campaign for yourself for real estate niche. So let's jump into our video. Here we will test our lead form which we have created, and let me go back to, yeah. So this is the one which we have created. Let me show you here what we have done, and we have used the conditional questions. These two were the conditional questions. If someone choose the 3 bedroom, they will not be able to submit the form, and if they choose any of the first 3 questions, they will be they will end up with the second question where they need to choose if they're working with the realtor or no. If they choose yes, they can able to submit the form. If they choose no, so they will not be able to submit the form, and they will be redirected to a landing page where we can provide them different services according to their interest. So this is created. So how you can test your form now. We need to go to Google, and here you can just simply type lead testing tool, lead edge testing tool, and the first link comes up here. You can also watch my video. It's all about the lead testing. Uh, you you can just go to testing and troubleshooting. In this page, you can see the whole detail about that tool. It is still working. People are saying in the comments in that video that it's not working anymore. It's not useful, but I am showing you that it's working. I'm using it for 14 years now, like more than that, and it's directly from Facebook, so it's not a third party tool, and it is still working. So just read, if you want, read this document. Otherwise, just click on this testing tool here. It will take you directly to that tool. So what we need to do here, we will just select the correct page we have and the correct form we have created. So you can just see that all these forms were created in our business manager, the same ad account. It will show you all the lead forms here. So all the questions are here. What we can do, we can just click on create lead. It will automatically create the lead here. But we can also test the form by clicking on preview form, and it will show you the whole form, how it will look like. We can just select the options here. The first one, we will go yes, 1 bedroom, yes, and then we'll just do the email address here. Alright, so we have filled up the form, and then we'll just hit continue, and it takes us to the terms and condition, and then we'll submit. So we have selected all the questions which qualifies to submit the form, and now the form is submitted, and in the end it will show us the call to action. If you want to visit the website, we can just click on here and can visit and test the link to. So we'll just close this form, and what we'll do here, we will just see that how the lead is created and how it is um, sending the data to our page. So as you can see here that the form is submitted and the lead has been created. So, but the thing is, it will not show you anything here. It will not show you any data here because the form is not connected with any CRM here. We will connect that. We will connect this form with the CRM in our next videos. So if you want to see that table here for this form working in real time, just stick to this series, and I will show you and teach you that process too, that how you can connect your form to CRM. If you're using a GoHighLevel, it's really easy process. But for this one, I will show you an example with a different form which is already live on the platform on a different ad account, and I will show you how it will look like here, and how it will show you that it is a success. The lead form is successfully submitted, and all the details has been sent successfully. So let me change the page and the lead form there. Okay, guys, for this page, we already have everything connected. So you can see that this box has changed. Before it was showing that you need to connect the webhook or subscription to any CRM, but we already have it here. So it's showing that it's connected to the lead gen, and we will just simply create the lead from here. We can do either like creating it from the preview form or just click it on create lead form. So it will instantly create with a test name and test fields in the form, and it will send the data to your CRM. So now it has created the lead. We will just click on track status, and you can see here that it says success. It means all the details have been sent to your CRM, and you can check your CRM that everything is there or not, and it will show you everything, that all the details have been sent to your CRM. So let me check if so in the CRM here, you can just see that it has created the dummy data here. We just tested from the Facebook. So it has created the dummy data. If I have like put all the fields in there, it will show you everything here from the form, and you can see the date, and it came from the Facebook. So guys, okay, so I have shown you everything just to tell you that the form and the testing tool is still working. Everything is working good. You can still test your form once you create in your Facebook, and you can test it. So everything is working. Just test your form before publishing your campaign so you don't do any mistakes or anything left in your form which will like give you headache afterwards. You need to do everything again. So in this video I have teach you how to test your lead form and what are the benefits of testing your lead form and the direct platform of Facebook testing tool. In the next video I will show you how you can create fixes for your campaign, how you can create URL parameters, and what are the benefits of creating a URL parameters for your campaigns, how you can track your real estate leads journey, how you can check the reporting and analytics, and how you can optimize your campaign by using those parameters. And in the last video of this series will all about how you can optimize and play with your budget, and how you and what are the borderlines and what are the numbers which you need to look into your campaign if to decide if you want to pause the campaign or to keep it running. So it is really important to follow up all the series, all the videos of this series for you to understand the importance of each video and to learn everything about this campaign structure. I will see you in the next video, and if you think you have learned something today, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. Thank you.